What's up everybody, welcome to Data. So today I'm going to show you how to uninstall any software from Windows. So let's get started. So first of all, click on type here to search and then search control panel and then open control panel. So I have to zoom in. And then you can see there is the options here, uninstall a program. Click on uninstall a program and then you can see the software I am using. So I'm going to install VLC media player. So you have to just right click on the mouse and then you can see an options here, uninstall or change. Click on this option and then you can see the administration confirmation is here. So click on yes and then you have to just click on next. By default delete preference cache, you don't need it, just uninstall it. The software is uninstalled. Click on finish. Here you can see the software has been removed from my system. So how you can uninstall it? Okay, so this way you can uninstall anything, any software you want. And then I'm going to show you another way how you can uninstall it. So just click on Windows and then click on, there is options here, settings. Click on settings and then you can see the option apps. Click on apps and then you can uninstall anything. Just click on the software. I am going to uninstall Disney Plus. Just click it and then there is an option here, uninstall. Click on uninstall and then again uninstall. It's uninstalling. Boom, it just has been removed from your system. This is how you can uninstall any software from your Windows. So that is it for today. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one.